Oh yeah, you know I'm happy about my dough. And I'm very hungry. So what I did is I went ahead, and if you've seen any of the videos before, um, I went ahead and greased this really nicely. And this is 2 pieces. And I think that I have my eyes bigger than my tummy. But we're going to go ahead and give that a good punch. And we're going to break it in half. I don't have my camera stand. I thought that I didn't think I'd be doing another video. I'm hungry. So I'm going to break this in half and put it into a ball form, and put it in here. Like I said, it's a turning under constantly until you have a nice ball. And I'll be able to do this better when I have a camera stand, but this will actually turn out like it's supposed to. So give me a sec to get it all in shape and put it in there. Okay, I'm pretty happy about this. I'm going to go ahead and whip up some egg white to put it on there. It's not that it's a special day for me or anything, it's not. Okay, well any day I have clam chowder. But I just like it to be a little special. I'm making it special for myself tonight. And this is the other half of that bread recipe. This is a loaf of bread. And I just simply put it in there and put it in the refrigerator. Sometimes I pick off pieces and make rolls as I need them. But I make my own bread. So if I don't make it, I don't have it. We're going to let this rise for about 40 minutes and check on it. Oh yes, and then we are going to bake it. So I'll get back to you in about 40 minutes. Believe me, it's going to be longer on my end. Well, okay, that's more like it. I told you when I'm in a good mood, it really reflects on my cooking. So what we're going to do is go ahead and I'm boiling some water on top of the stove while I'm waiting for the oven to heat, just to put some humidity in the air. And I'm going to go ahead and give this just a little bit of, I just want it to be special. So, just going to dab it a little bit. You don't have to do this. I will tell you most of the time I don't. Anyway, there we go. Okay, I'm going to get my oven preheated and we're going to put it in there. We're going to check it in about 30 minutes and I'm going to go ahead and get the soup going so it's nice and hot. As you can probably imagine, I'm hungry. Oh, yeah. The problem, though, I noticed, is I should have given it a little, I tried to pull a little bit of the tin foil away to give it a little bit more room to expand because it just went up. And then I dropped it one level. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it out and let it cool just for a bit. I'm really hungry. But it turned out really nice for me. It's not perfect. They never are. It's not the fun of eating them. So we're going to let this cool, and I'm going to finish eating up my clam chowder. I'm going to dress this for you so I can eat. Oh, yeah. Do you hear that sound? You want to hear like a hollow sound, and you know you're good. And I think I am good. It's been 30 minutes. I would have let it cook longer, but... Okay, I let it cool on the rack, but I put it back in here because... Well, it went a little bit this way. And that happens. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it so I can make a bowl and have a top. And I only have 2 hands, so I'm going to cut it and then I'll show you. Okay, so I cut the top. So that's going to be my lid. Now I'm going to go ahead and hollow it out. Like a pumpkin, I can never remember how to put it back on. I'm going to go ahead and hollow it out. I'm going to go ahead and finish my soup and put it in there and dress it for you and show you what it should look like. They don't always look the same, but it will be delicious. Okay, I pulled it early. I didn't let it, sit so that it's cooled. So, my pieces are a little bit more condensed because it was still kind of warm. And here, you'll see, I put some pieces in there. And yeah, okay, there's one of me. So there, it's all not all the way filled up. But that's a whole can of soup. And we're going to go eat this now. I am starving to death. I suggest putting on a little bit of some kind of ocean sounds, and because this is what I do. And I know I hear the beeper. I have ocean sounds going in my room, and I'm going to pretend I'm at my favorite restaurant, eating my favorite food. And this is my favorite food. I miss California. I miss the ocean. And so I'm going to go relive it for a while. I hope that you tried this. If you do, please, take a picture of it and put it down below. And, well, it came out big. And I'm super excited to eat it.